Good morning. Welcome to another great episode of JMP Outdoors. I'm your host, Jason. This morning, I'm going to give you newbies to fishing kind of a quick rundown on kind of fishing line and what you might need to know. So, alright, up here, you've got your 8-pound line. Alright, now that's going to be really pretty efficient for most ponds, rivers, small bodies of water, hell, even some lakes and some ultralights setups, And then now, if you want to go real ultralight, I don't see any, but you could also go 4-pound. Let's see, okay, and then so then you got the 8-pound. There's usually 4, 8, 6, or yeah, 4, 6, 8, and then you jump over here, you got 10, and that's gonna be really, and then you jump over here and you've got 12. Now, for most monofilaments and most situations, honestly, that's gonna do pretty good because, alright, well, kind of here you go. This is, you see how it says 4-pound diameter, but it's 15-pound strength? That's your braid. Now, a lot of times what people will do is they will take like a 20-pound braid or a 30-pound braid, kind of like that, and then they'll match it with like a 14-pound monofilament, and that'll be their leader. So, but for anybody who's just beginning, all you need for your basic setups is 6 to 12-pound mono, and then once you start, I'm sorry, these people are going to be rude. I may have to voice over this. Anyways, this is JMP Outdoors. I'm signing off.